So, as we dip further into the Sea Solutions treasure chest of resources, at this point, we're going to tap into the iRest or Integrative Restoration Yoga Nidra process. You have been listening to one of the guided meditations that I've recorded for the last 5 days. And this is a breakdown of the process that's actually happening. So give the mind some peace and satisfaction to step through all these different layers. We will be going into what's happening in each of them. And as I've touched on, we have brainwave activity taking place. We have conscious mind going on vacation, and subconscious and unconscious fully coming into their presence in order to help the body come into a full state of rest, in order to help the consciousness truly go be at ease for a certain amount of time, so that the body, the mind, the 5 elements and 6 systems of the body can fully come online and do the work that they need to do to move the body into its most functional restorative state. Because when we're in that functional restorative state, now we have the capacity to know when to turn up the dial as though it's on the stove, or turn down the dial. We know when to just hover and be at a certain degree of heat or intensity, and we know when to cool off. That's what's happening during this iRest practice. And so as you listen over the next 2 evenings, I'd like you to listen for inside your body, when is the heat rising and when is it cooling off? And that's what you'll be noting and responding to when I check in about your PM listening. And then as you listen throughout your day, what do you notice? Are you able to bring in different parts of the iRest process, not needing to scientifically break it down? However, can you simply notice, wow, I'm breath sensing right now. I'm body sensing right now. Interesting. I have an intention. Wow, I'm going over to my inner resource, my safe, most comfortable grounding place in it. That is your homework for the next 48 hours or 2 sleeps. And we'll be checking in to book your next call and set you up to make 8% progress more. Ciao for now.